that wastewater will have wax in it, and the fixing part, it will have silicates in it.
Water pollution is a big problem of nowadays. Water get polluted via the industrial wastewater as well as the domestic waste.
They use sodium silicate, I think, as a fixer.
Industrial waste is more poisonous in nature and is difficult to handle.
Wectrodes, efficient electrodes for batik wastewater electrocoagulation treatment. This is a collaborative work between researchers from two universities, which are University Technology Mara and University Science Malaysia. In some countries such as Malaysia and Indonesia, batik is a growing industry due to the increasing demand. It generates a large amount of wastewater. The wastewater is treated using chemical coagulation, which generating high amount of sludge and consume a lot of chemicals. We need other alternative. One of the potential alternative is by using electrocoagulation EC process. The advantages of EC as compared to chemical coagulation are higher pollutant removal, less amount of sludge, and reaction time. Unfortunately, treating the batik wastewater using EC process costing us regular replacement of sacrificial electrode, which could increase the cost of material. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know that the number of aluminum cans disposed as solid waste in Malaysia is severe? According to co-authors from Faculty of Health Science, UiTM Selangor, Rohana Yatim, and the rest authors, at least 150 kg of aluminum cans were disposed in the area of Puncak Alam per day. Since there is abundance of aluminum cans, why not we use the waste aluminum can as electrodes in the EC process to treat batik wastewater? By doing so, we could reduce the cost of recycling and disposal of aluminum cans, and also the cost for the treatment in meeting the demand. Our wectrode is very easy to be prepared. The aluminum can is cut and dipped into a concentrated sulfuric acid for 8 minutes and rinse with deionized water to remove the coatings on the outer and inner walls of the can. The wectrode now can be used to treat batik wastewater. As you can see on the screen, this is the treatment done for a real batik wastewater. When the process is complete, two obvious layers of flux and water are formed. Wectrode can greatly improve the wastewater parameters and comply with Malaysia discharge standard in the environmental quality industrial effluent regulations. Now, what is so special about wectrodes? Well, you can say that it is a facile and environmental method. It is very cheap and efficient to be used. Simply put, our wectrodes is a waste-to-wet product. Let's move on to the next part, which is the main question of this innovation. You might be wondering, how cost-effective is the wectrode? Basically, the aluminium to be obtained is free, as it is the wasted can, and the only cost to produce this product is the cost of sulfuric acid. From here, 95% of electrode purchasing costs can be saved. In addition, the aluminum cans do not have to be further recycled or disposed, which commonly will require a tremendous amount of money and energy. Since this product is relatively very cheap and easy to be used, it can be integrated in a small-scale wastewater treatment plant with about medium wastewater concentration. Thus, let's use wectrodes.